New year, new math unit. We are starting today to talk about numbers, numbers beyond 10. Now, if you are looking at the 10 frame that I have up at the top, it is completely full. So a completely full 10 frame means there are 10 inside there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But if I want to show more than 10, I have to have another 10 frame. For example, if I wanted to show, here's 10, if I wanted to show 11, which is one more, I have to add 1 to the 10 frame that is below. So now I have 10, 11. And that's one of the numbers that we're working with today is 11. If I wanted to show 12, I have to add another one because here's 10, 11, 12. So that is what 12 looks like when it's represented by a 10 frame. Now, if you turn in your workbook to page 180, looks like this. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. If you turn to page 180, you're going to see some 10 frames that represent the numbers 11 and 12. The first one, full 10 frame, and one more represents 11. And all we have to do is trace that number 11. 1 10 and 1 1. That's what 11 means. 1 10 and 1 1. Here's the 10, one of those, and there's the 1. 1 1. That's what that means. All right, that was pretty easy. Let's move on down to the next one. And we have a full 10 frame. And then we have 2 more. And that's how you would show the number 12. Ready? 1 10 and 2 1s. There's our 2. So 1 10 and 2 extra 1s. Here's our 1 10. And there are our 2 extra 1s, and that is the number 12. That's the number 12. Okay, so now we've seen both 11 and 12. If you look down here, what number are they showing you? What number is that? 10 and 2 more. Right, that's 12. So that's what you'll write down here. You're going to write the number 12, meaning 110 and 2 extra 1s. Right? 110 and 2 extra 1s. Trace, or you don't trace it, you're writing it yourself on this one. All right, so there's page 180. Go ahead and turn the page. And here is page 181. Page 181. At the top, number 4 here, they're asking you to do exactly what we did on the last page. And that is to decide what number they are showing with those 10 frames. So we've got 110, one full 10 frame, and one extra. So that's the number 11. 11, right? All right. 110 and one extra 1 is 11. 11. All right. Now the next part is a little different. They want you to build that number in the 10 frame. So first, let's go ahead and trace 11, 11, 11, 110, and 1 1. So we know it's 110 and 1 1. So we're going to fill up that whole 10 frame. And we're going to give it 1 extra 1. And that's what it looks like when you are building a 10 frame to show 11. Actually, 10 frames to show 11 because you do need 2 to show the number 11. All right, let's go down to the next one. And they are asking us to build 10 frames that show 12. So first, let's go ahead and trace our number 12, remembering that 12 means 110 and 2 extra 1s. All right, 110 and 2 extra 1s. That's number 12. So then we go ahead and we're going to fill up one whole 10 frame because remember 110. So fill up that whole 10 frame to be your 110. And then your 2 extra 1s. Here we go. 1, 2. And that's how you would use 10 frames to show the number 12. All right, if you need a few minutes to finish, you can always pause the video, get caught up. I'm going to be turning the page to page 182. page 182. And in the first one, it says that we are going to count the objects, say how many, and then draw more to make 11. Draw more to make 11. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to draw more to make 11. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to draw a football very well with this, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So we've got 5. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now I've showed 11. They're asking us to do exactly the same thing down here at the bottom with those soccer balls. They're asking us to count the objects, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then draw more to make 12. All right, so we're going to have to add another one here. And now we have a full 10 frame, right? So now we have 10. So in order to make 12, this 10 frame will have 2 more in it. So, we could look at that and talk about 7 and the 5 that we drew would be a way to make 12. Composing and decomposing numbers still. All right, so you will be doing pages 183 and 184 on your own. And when you're done, make sure you upload your work to Schoology.